Cumberland County announced its First Responders Assistance Program after 2 years of stressful frontline work.
And it happens to be the first of its kind in the state. Kayla Schmidt here now with more on how it will improve all forms of public safety in the county. Kayla.
Well, Dennis, Valerie, it's called On the Job and Off, and it will provide free mental health assistance to county first responders 24/7 at no cost. And the department says it wasn't a want, it was a need.
The hands raised represent how many public safety workers' peers have seen leave the profession because of the mental toll their work takes.
I was thinking back to when I became an EMT in 2008, I think there was one paragraph in our textbook that was this thick on stress. And that was it.
That has changed dramatically in recent years. Now the conversation about stress is bigger and arguably just as important as field training, says Allie Rothrock, founder of On the Job and Off, now in Cumberland County.
I was really focusing on what I knew I didn't have, and then through the hundreds and hundreds of responders that I've worked with since, I saw that pattern just repeated over and over again.
A pattern of failing to address the mental health needs of public safety. So Rothrock did something about it. At 16, she became a volunteer firefighter, which planted the seed to partnering with assistance programs.
And so at 16, I had to ask myself, can you deal with this?
She did. And now Cumberland County 911 operator Mike Snyder says his team will reap the benefits.
It's kind of like watching a TV show where you only get to watch 5 minutes in the middle. You don't really know what led up to this point, and you often don't find out what happens at the end.
And they bring those thoughts home with them. From 2019 through 2021, 911 calls jumped by 23% in Cumberland County without a jump in people to answer them. The result? Burnout, stress. The hope is this program will help lighten the load on local psychiatric practices and on our local heroes.
Cumberland County commissioners approved just over $49,000 to fund the program for 5 years. In the studio, Kayla Schmidt, ABC 27 News.